the champagne, pop. It's my house, come on, turn it up. Hear a knock on the door and the night begins. Cause we've done this before, so you come on in. Make yourself at my home, tell me where you been.
Hey everyone, it's the Play Fanatic. Thanks for tuning in today. Because guess what we're doing today? We're playing with our wall climber. Yay! Well, guess what you don't know about this car? What? That it drives. I know, on the floor. No, it drives on the walls, the ceiling, and on the windows. Amazing!
Are you girls excited to try it out?
Yeah.
Okay, but before we get started, there are a few things you should know about the wall climber.
Okay.
So the first thing about the wall climber is that it has a switch on the back that you can position to off, floor, or wall. It also has a charging port, and this wall climber comes with its own USB charger. This is our actual wall connector, but the actual USB cord comes with the vehicle. Then we also have a remote control, and you have to power it on, and then this light will turn on to let you know it's ready to go. And then it has 3 channels, A, B, and C, so you have to make sure that the car and the control are on the same channel. It has 2 separate joysticks. This one allows the car to go forward and backward, and the other joystick allows you to spin to the right or to the left. And notice that when you go forward, the lights look blue, and when you go backward, they look red. And then it has these 2 buttons up top, left and right, that just help to fine-tune the remote. And that's it. Also, one last thing is make sure that when you are charging this cool little wall climber, make sure that it's off. But it's actually very, very nice and lightweight. It doesn't weigh much at all, but it's resistant. So this is a great little new toy that you can add to the Christmas list. And now you guys are ready to go. Who's going first?
That's so cool.
What do you think, Camila?
Awesome.
What do you think, Belle?
My turn, Mom, and I'm going to do it on the floor. I feel like it's more easier to go on the floor than on the wall.
Girls, where else should we try it out?
Mom, can we do it on the mirror?
Okay. Make sure you put it on the wall setting. Uh-oh. Guys, make sure you always have it on the right setting. And we're down.
The player's down.
But it didn't break, right?
Yeah.
So good quality, guys. Good quality.
Oh, he's making it rotate.
Cool.
Now, Mom, go forward.
Can you go forward now? Yeah, push it up now.
You like go backwards.
Ah.
Like that. Slip on it. Papa, can I have a turn now? No. Papa, can I have a try? Yeah.
That's so sweet of you. What a good little boy who shares. Who's it gonna get? Camila or Papa's?
bring it over here.
Ooh! Which way is it gonna? Who's it gonna get?
It's also really good if you have an active family who likes to jump around and run. Wall climber, we give you a Play Fanatic seal. Play on. Subscribe with a thumb up. Comment and hit the bell for our notifications. Bye. Love you. Love you. Here's us, guys. I'm Play Fanatic Belle, and I have a gift for you. Now you can get your own wall climber. All you have to do is go to this website, use this code, and you'll get our Play Fanatic discount. Hurry up and don't miss out. This Christmas, get your wall climber. And toodaloo, Merry Christmas!